entertainment doesn't mean Naach Gana. Entertainment doesn't mean, outstanding action scene. Even if you can engross a person, even if you can get that person's attention, for me, that is entertainment.
You're playing on the edges of reality. You're playing on places on within a very thin line where we don't know what the level of believability on that would be for person to person, individual to individual. Everybody believes in these things differently.
Hello everyone, you're watching peepingmoon.com. I'm Rashita Sahani, and today joining me for a very interesting conversation are Sanjay Kapoor and Karma Takapa for their upcoming show, The Last Hour. Hi Sanjay, hi Karma, how have you two?
Hi guys, hello.
Hi. Okay, so firstly tell me, I watched the trailer. So this is the first time I think that, something like this is coming for the viewers to watch. You are combining supernatural with crime, and there is a murder mystery that everyone's trying to solve. So you tell me that, why do you think, of course, it's a very interesting topic, but why do you think that it will, hit the right chords with the audience and the viewers?
Well, I think so. The answer is in your question itself. Because it is something in this kind of magnitude, this kind of a thing, in this kind of a platform, something, a supernatural crime thriller, Indian audience is really not seen. They have seen today, because the world has become such a small place. So in other, they've seen a lot of shows like this in English or various other languages, but in Hindi, they've not seen it. So I think so that itself is, a thing for the audience, because there is an audience for this. It's just that they've not been given something like this to watch and, made with so much of conviction and honesty. It's not about कि कुछ डराने की कोशिश कर रहे और suddenly एक भूत का character, because this is a supernatural crime thriller. It's about a man who's got superpower in the sense that he's got this power to, see what happens in the last hour of a person who's no more. So it's done in a very authentic way, and that's the reason I think so the trailer's got this reaction is also because there is people want to believe in it, and it's interesting enough that it's not a documentary. It is going to be in a mainstream, interesting, with all the elements that you need to watch. When you give 8 to 10 hours of your life, you need to have that interest also. So I think so that's what is coming across in the show, and I think so that's the special thing about this show.
Okay, completely.
Yeah, I agree with what Sanjay is saying. I think it's importantly the palette of the show, the way the show looks. When it's visually intriguing, it's the space is something that has been unexplored. I think the faces look interesting. Not just for my casting, for the matter, the entire cast that there has been, that there is the entire supporting cast, the other cast, everybody who's been part of the show. I think that's what brings a very important factor in people being intrigued by it and wanting to watch it. I think that's what you said.
Also add the location, like the way we've shot it in Sikkim and these mountains. So it's creating that kind of eeriness and that vibe which this show kind of like when we are shooting, if you see a fog, it's not a fog machine. It's actually you are seeing. Actually, it is happening. Or when you see the clouds, suddenly the clouds are coming and suddenly the clouds are down, and you're seeing. So it's just everything is just the shooting over there, shooting it in Sikkim and the other places like Darjeeling and everything is just adding to. It's like a character of the show. It's adding to the storytelling, the location. It's just adding. It's just not there for the sake of being there. It is adding to our storytelling.
That is actually exactly my next question. That was that, sometimes the location itself becomes a very important character of a show or a film. And if it's beautifully shot and it's relatable, then of course it adds on to the story. So how important do you think, of course, Sanjay, you have answered this, but how important do you, if you would want to add on to that, a location, what's the role of a location when a show like this has, been made?
I think so. The location is very, very important. Had we shot this in a place which didn't have this kind of a vibe, it wouldn't have jhuta lagta ye show.
Yeah.
And because it's an untouched location, like Sikkim is not a place where a lot of shootings have happened. So everything seems so real. and trust me, when we are shooting over there, even if there's a snow clad mountain, so when the shot is being taken, it's not कि यार ये visual बता देगा. This ला अभी यहाँ से कैमरा आएगा, ये mountain snow clad mountain से आएगा और इस character पे आएगा. It is just there.
Yeah.
Now, if you see it, great. If you don't see it, no problem. The location is not being used. It is going to add something. It is just the camera is placed and whatever is seen, it's just adding to it becomes the character. I don't remember a single shot where I could feel that Amit is telling the cameraman that where the actor, what he's saying is not important, this location is more important. This is beautiful. क्या scenic है यार. यहाँ पे camera रखते हैं और ये pull back करते हैं and we get this. Not a single, everything is very, very like it's very real. Everything is shot and it just, if you see something really great happening, it was not planned. It just happened.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's fantastic. Karma?
Yeah, I think that's what the way Sanjay put it was quite correct, because I think the location, the beauty of the location is not the, let's say, how picturesque the space is not the, let's say, the most important aspect about why it was shot there. It's also because it lends itself very nicely towards the thematic feeling of the film, the way the theme of the film flows, and it lends that level of authenticity. And like Sanjay was saying, that there was never an there was never an intention to glorify a space based on its beauty factor. It was more about trying to use the elements in order to narrate the story in the best way possible, in order to give that feeling that you want to give for the characters, for the story, for that point, so that it all comes together as one package. Like you can't singularly single out the location as the singular thing. It's all something that it complements each other, where the location would complement the narrative of it, and hopefully the actors will add something stronger to it, where the space becomes a character by itself, and also it enhances performances for people to watch in terms of authenticity and to take you into a level of believability which a show like this needs, because we are dealing with hyper real ideas.
Yeah, of course. And the concept of a human being talking to the dead, it's not new. So many cultures we have seen this happening. There are some science obsessed people that do not find this rational. So how does The Last Hour maintain the balance between something that's realistic and something that it's also practical?
Yeah, I don't, because it's not the thing is, it's not a documentary. So you're not trying to somewhere say whether this happens, doesn't happen, or whether this is, you're playing on the edges of reality. You're playing on places on within a very thin line where we don't know what the level of believability on that would be for person to person, individual to individual. Everybody believes in these things differently. So I think the whole idea is that this is, of course, the foundation of what the show is. But most importantly, it is a crime thriller, where it's a genre film, genre show at the end of the day. It's got a very classic what happens next kind of a genre feeling, where as an audience, when you watch it, you'll be more intrigued hopefully as the show goes on. So I think that is the important element over there. Like the believability factor of this, whether some people believe this or not, I think that is weaved together with the way the narrative has already been written on paper beforehand. And for some people who believe this, it works for them, and for the people who don't believe it, we're not really trying to convince anybody that this is what the reality of the world is, that this is what happens.
Also in this, I would also add, Kev, when you're watching the show, because the way authentically we've shot, and we've not gone, trying, into the angle of, the drama create karte hain, ye create karte hain. We've shot it in a very, very realistic way. So even if you don't believe in it, when you're watching it, you'll want to believe in it. You will be engrossed in it. Maybe later on in conversation after seeing it, you say, but aisa thodi ho sakta hai. But when you're watching it, you're focused. You'll be focused watching it. You will not see what shit hai. While dekhte hue, you will not get disconnected. You will be connected while watching it. You may have a view, a lot of things. You always have a view ke ye aise hona, ye aisa believable hai ya nahi hai. That is a later on discussion. But when you're watching, I'm sure, I've not seen the show myself, but I've acted in it. I've read the script. I have worked with all these technicians and everything. The whole atmosphere, like I spoke about Sikkim. So I'm 100% sure when you're watching the show, you will be engrossed watching it. And that's the whole idea, actually.
Yeah.
We are here
Okay.
for entertaining. See, entertainment doesn't mean Naach Gana. Entertainment doesn't mean, outstanding action scene. Even if you can engross a person, even if you can get that person's attention, for me, that is entertainment. If I, like when I watch shows, I like more intense shows. I like more drama shows. So for me, that is more entertaining than a typical entertaining, show or a movie.
Movie,
If it
yeah.
will take my attention, that's more entertaining and more engrossing.
Definitely, I completely agree. And I think web has time and again proven this fact that content is the king and anything can be entertaining if you make it properly. So
Yes.
completely agree to that.
Absolutely.
Okay. And of course, talking about your characters, how much ever I could sense from the trailer, these characters are very complex and I think very heavy in itself. So what was your approach like when you played a character like this one?
See, when I play Arup, the cop, first of all, I like to clear it. Arup is not a super cop. Arup is a cop. That's his profession. He has got his own insecurities, his own family problem. He's got a daughter who is doubting him, and he's trying to solve this case. And he's honestly saying that he's taking a help from this character called Dev, who's got this superpower. He's not trying to behave like a cop that he knows it all. He'll solve everything. So it's very real. This character is very real, and this complexity add to the way it has been written and everything. It just adds a lot of. Even in the trailer, you can see all these small. Even in a 2-minute trailer, you can see so many layers of this character. Which is very, very difficult to create in a trailer, but because the whole show is so real that even in a 2-minute trailer that you can see his different shades of Arun. And nowhere do you feel that he's a super cop that मैं आया हूं अभी सिक्किम में मुंबई से और सब सॉल्व कर दूंगा. Nothing. He's there. He's still searching for answers. So so that's the way the director wanted it, and that's the way I have performed it also. And I'll come back to Sikkim and these tough terrain and tough location and everything added to my performances, because every place that we were in, there was a sense of eeriness, sense of danger was there. Every time I was driving the Jeep, I knew that if I go little left, if a truck suddenly comes, and if I go little more left, I would be 1,000 feet down. So that kind of danger which was there in the location was there. It was adding to my performance, I felt. I was not in a comfort zone. It was not that I'm shooting in a blue screen, all these shots are taken. All these shots taken are actually in Sikkim, in that kind of thing. If I'm climbing up a mountain, and even if I can't, because I'm a Mumbai guy, so if I'm struggling to climb up, I'm actually struggling to climb up. So that's the way it is.
Okay, that's fantastic. And Karma?
The actions of the character. When we talk about when we talk about this character particularly, when we talk about superpower and stuff like that, but it's rooted on a very real foundation. The issues are very real. The character by itself is not a superhero, right?
Yeah.
So the character, like Sanjay's character, deals with a lot of other insecurities and issues that is trying to run away from, and so it brings about the ability to relate to a character, and not just on a level that has this particular power. It's more of it has a very realistic foundation to what the thing is. And like Sanjay was saying, like everything put together, when everybody came together within the space and the way it is shot, it becomes more simplistic. I mean, like right now it looks like it's very intense, but I can assure you that it wasn't it wasn't as intense as look. That's just credit to the director and the DP to make it look as intense, because we were having a great time shooting it, and we did what we did, and hopefully it comes across in the way that you are saying, that it gives out that intensity.
Okay, great. And of course, talking about the cast, it has a stellar ensemble cast. So when working with so many co-actors, how important is it for you to leave an impact with your own character?
Karma?
Yeah, Karma, you can go first.
I don't think I was thinking about leaving an impact, to be very honest,
Okay.
because I don't think that I was looking at it with respect to the fact that अच्छा ये character ऐसा है तो इसका ये impact होना चाहिए लोगों को, like you were not trying to create that. You were trying to be in the moment as much as possible. Try to make it believable for you for that shot. Try to make it believable for the director for that shot, and hopefully all of that would replicate into people believing what it is. I think for me, it was just about trying to be in the moment and trying to get that right at that given period of time, and not trying to see what would happen in the future, if somebody would get it or not, if they would relate to it or not.
Okay.
And for me, the way Arup, like I said in my earlier question of yours, because he's not a super cop, so he is a person which I could relate to. He is a cop, but I could relate to him and everything. And also the way Amit has casted this whole show, because we have shot it in Northeast, so all the actors are from there and everything. Even if the smallest of role, when you're performing with them, they have that rawness in that face. That believability is there. That when you are performing, it is just helping your complex character. Also, it helps. All these other actors are helping Arup a lot. The way it has been casted. So he looks a person automatically that he's from a different city in a different kind of. So the uncomfortableness is created thanks to the director, the way he's casted it also. So when I'm there among all these things, so you can see he's different from all these people. So it just adds, I don't know how to put it, but just adds to my performance, adds to my, when I'm performing with these people, when I'm talking to them, when they have an accent. There's so many who have this accent when they're talking Hindi. It's all real. It's not created. So everything becomes so much more believable. Like for example, like to say, like Shelly, who's playing my daughter. When I met her for the first time, I still remember when I'd gone to Amit's office. We were going to read. Amit wanted, some scenes to be read between the daughter, and her face has got that quality. And I don't know whether you've spoken to her. She's gone through so much in life. She's from Kashmir. She's gone through so much in life herself in such a young age. And when I'm talking to her, when I was reading, she has this mystic quality about her. She doesn't look like a girl that you've seen in a restaurant in Mumbai. You don't see this girl that you've gone to PVR to see a film and this girl is sitting somewhere over here. There is a very strange, mystic quality about Shelly. And all this adds to this show. So it has been beautifully casted. I think so. It's all of us are being held by each other the way correctly it has been casted.
Agreed, definitely. Casting anyway plays a very important role in shows. So okay. And Karma, of course, you have been into direction and screenplay before. What prompted you to, take up acting, and especially with The Last Hour?
Amit, the director. He put it across in a way where I couldn't say no after a point of time. And then, of course, once he saw the audition and he was keen on me doing it, then I read it, and then it was a no-brainer because it read fantastic. It's one of the scripts that you could read it in one go, though it was a very elaborate Bible that he had, but you could read it in one go. And and you knew that if we could get even a good percentage of what is on paper, on screen, I knew that we would have something which would create a very interesting, larger show, and it would also be very interesting in the vision that he had in terms of where he wanted to base the show. He had the backing with Amazon coming into the picture and putting it on a platform like that. You have you're dealing with issues based out of the Northeast, which is an underrepresented, multiple times we've spoken about it. So all of that things put together, that it becomes a no-brainer after a point of time when somebody who's somebody who like Amit comes up to you and tells you that he wants to do this, and with Amazon backing it. So
completely. And Sanjay, of course, you have been in the industry for such a long time. You have had your own experiences. And we were recently actually talking to Mahi for Mother's Day special, and she said that she would love to share screen space with you and Shania. So now that,
Really?
Shania is also, she said that.
She wants to work in a movie? I don't think so.
No, she said that she would love to. She's very excited for, of course, Shanaya's
Maybe
debut.
screen space in another reality show first, where we did share screen space. I'm sure she
Yeah.
thought about that. I'm sure she would want to, but if she wants to, great.
Yeah.
I would love to also, but I don't think so. In fact, I saw part of the interview where she was saying, "I'm such a bad actor. I enjoy just doing this reality thing."
Okay. No, but she did say that maybe because she's so excited about Shanaya making her debut. So yeah.
Maybe. We are all excited.
Okay. Okay, that's great. And thank you so much, Sanjay and Karma, for chatting with me. It was a pleasure talking to you too.
Pleasure is
Thank you
all.
so
All
much,
the very
yeah.
best.
Thank you so much.
Take care.
Bye-bye.
Stay safe.